My mom doesn't like dogs, the dogs. Her mom doesn't like all dogs in general, not a specific dog. The rule says when we talk about things in general, use plural nouns with no the. Do not use the. This one, dogs. Dog is wrong because it's singular, only one dog. The dogs is wrong because it has the before. So my mom doesn't like dogs. Another example, I like cats. Not cat, not the cats. Anna plays tennis every week, days, Sundays. The keyword here is every. Every, guys, is followed by a singular noun. Every week. Days with S, plural, so it's wrong. Sundays with S, plural, so it's wrong. So every week. We say every day, every week, every year. You answer this one. Blank, very smart. Dolphin, dolphins, the dolphins. Here we talk about something in general. So we need to follow this rule. Plural and no the. Write your answer in the comments. She dances good or well. What's the difference? We use good with a noun and it comes before the noun. And we use well with a verb and it comes after the verb. She dances. Dances is a verb. What comes after the verb? Look at the verb here. What comes after it? Well. So well is the answer. She dances well. So again, we say dance well. Dance is a verb and well comes after the verb. And we say good dancer. Dancer is a noun and good comes before the noun. I went yesterday to the zoo, or I went to the zoo yesterday. Which comes first? Yesterday, the time, or to the zoo, the place? Which comes first, guys? Time, then place, or place, then time? Well, in a sentence, place comes first, then the time. This is the correct order. I went to the zoo yesterday. You answer this question. I am going to the bank now, or I am going now to the bank. Which comes first, the place or the time? Follow this rule and answer. The doctor advised me to stop to smoking. Listen, guys, stop to smoke means you were walking, then you stopped because you want to smoke. This is the meaning of stop to smoke. But stop smoking means you quit smoking. You no longer smoke. You do not smoke anymore. So the doctor advised me to stop smoking, right? I bought a new phone next week, last week. Next week refers to the future. Last week refers to the past. Look at the verb here in the sentence, bought. Bought is the past of buy. So this sentence is in the past, so last week fits here. I bought a new phone last week. They, blank, going to get married next week. Is, are, have. Going to. Let me tell you about this structure. Am, or is, or are, plus going to, plus the verb. We use this structure to talk about the future, next week. So we need to choose between is or are here. They takes are. So they are going to get married next week. You answer this one. I am going blank you on Friday. Visit, to visit, visiting. What comes after going? The base verb, visit, to plus the verb, to visit, or the verb plus ing, visiting. Follow this rule and answer. The lion is blank than the monkey. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Here we compare between two things, the lion, 1, and the monkey, 2. The lion versus the monkey. In this case, and when the adjective is long, like dangerous, we use more, the adjective, than. More dangerous than. So this is the structure we use to compare between two things, using a long adjective. What if we compare between more than two things? Like here, the lion is the blank animal in the first. Here I compare between the lion, 1, and all the animals in the first. All animals. So the lion versus all other animals. Here I use another structure. The most plus the adjective. The most dangerous. So this is the correct answer. She is blank to Dubai next weekend. Travel, traveled, traveling. Next weekend. That's something in the future, right? You know, guys, that we can use the present continuous tense to express the future. Am, is, are plus ing. This is here in the question. So we still need the ing, right? Here is the ing, traveling. She is traveling to Dubai next weekend. He's been a teacher blank 2007. Since, for. Remember, guys, we can say since Monday, but for 3 days. So since followed by the name of the day, but for followed by the number of days. We say since April, the name of the month, but for 4 months, the number of months. Since 2010, this is the name of the year, but for 5 years, the number of years. So since is followed by the name of the point of time, but 4 is followed by the number of days, months, years. 2007 here is not a number of years. This is the name of the year, like 2010 here. So we use since with it, since 2007. You answer this one. I have waited here for blank. 3 hours, 3 o'clock. Remember that 4 is followed by the number of hours. How many hours? Which one here expresses the number of hours, guys? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching.